We'll now take the idea of the segment addition postulate and use it for angle addition. If we have this angle A, B, C, and we were to add onto it angle C, B, D, we could say that angle ABC plus angle CBD equals this larger angle ABD. So if we were to say that angle ABC was 15 degrees and angle CBD were 25 degrees, we would know that angle ABD is 40 degrees. Basic angle addition postulate. So now let's take a look at some examples where we can use this information to solve some geometric and algebraic relationships. Let's say that we have a diagram that looks something like this. And we have point U, point V, point W, and point B. We know that the measure of angle BVU is 32x plus 2. So let's go ahead and label that. Angle BVU is this angle here, and that's 32x plus 2. Then we know that the measure of angle WVU is, struggling here, sorry, 39x minus 4. So let's label that. Notice that WVU is this larger angle here from W to V to U, so this whole larger angle. Let's label it while we're here, 39x minus 4. And we're given information about this last angle, and that is that the measure of angle WVB is 22 degrees. So this angle here, 22 degrees. So we're asked to solve for x, but we could also plug back in and find the measure of all the angles. So I think we'll go ahead and do all of that together. So let's move this up and work through what we've got going on. All right, so let's start with our angle addition statement. We know that the measure of angle BVU plus, get my right colors here, the measure of angle WVB equals the measure of angle WVU. So we can simply replace the statement measure of angle whatever by what it's worth. So the measure of angle BVU is 32x plus 2. We will add that to the measure of angle WVB, which is 22 degrees, and set that equal to the measure of angle WVU, which is 39x minus 4. Now it's just good practice to put parentheses around things that you're substituting in, but you'll see that we don't actually need these parentheses because we're just dealing with addition, so we can simply remove those. Then we'll combine like terms. 32x plus 24 equals 39x minus 4. Let's subtract 39x from both sides and subtract 24 from both sides, allowing us to get our x terms to the left and our constant terms to the right. 32x minus 39x is a negative 7x. 24 minus itself cancels out. 39x minus itself cancels out, and negative 4 minus 24 is a negative 28. Divide both sides by the coefficient of negative 7. And we find that x equals a positive 4. So we can take this information and plug it back into the original information and find the measure of each of the angles. So let's start with finding the pink angle, or the measure of angle BVU, which is defined as 32x plus 2. And the x value we found is 4. So we have 32 times 4, which is 128, plus 2. So the measure of angle BVU is 130 degrees. Let's look at the next one, which is the measure of angle WVU, defined as 39x minus 4. Our x value being 4. So 39 times 4 is 156. So the measure of angle WVU is 152 degrees. Now we just need to check our work. Make sure that we've worked things through adequately here. So we're going to take all of our statements and just make sure that they work. We know that the pink angle is 130 degrees, and we can add that to the green angle at 22 degrees, and we should get the blue angle at 152 degrees. So 130 plus 22 is 152. That leaves us a true statement, so we can feel confident that all of our solutions are accurate.